Discover an exceptional investment opportunity in one of Alaska's most desirable regions. Introducing the Alaskan Land Development Opportunity. 9.9 plus or minus acres of strategically located land in beautiful Anchor Point. Offering flexibility, scale, and tremendous development potential, this property is ready for an investor to bring their vision to life. Positioned along the Old Sterling Highway between Homer and Anchor Point, this property enjoys excellent accessibility, highway visibility, and a prime location within Alaska's renowned Kenai Peninsula. Originally planned as a multifamily housing campus, the property offers exceptional flexibility for future development. Whether completed as originally envisioned or adapted to meet today's market demands, the possibilities are extensive. The existing plans include 6 duplex-style buildings totaling 12 residential units, along with 3 separate bunkhouse-style buildings designed to accommodate up to 48 occupants. The project was thoughtfully planned to help address the region's growing demand for housing while creating multiple income-producing opportunities. The southern Kenai Peninsula continues to experience increasing demand driven by commercial fishing, construction, oil and gas, tourism, and other expanding industries. With 9.9 plus or minus acres, existing infrastructure, excellent highway visibility, and exceptional development potential, this property offers investors the rare opportunity to bring their vision to life in one of Alaska's most desirable and rapidly growing regions. Don't miss your opportunity to acquire this exceptional Alaskan land development opportunity through an online auction presented by J.P. King Auction Company. Bidding ends August 27th. Visit jpking.com for complete property information and to register to bid.